Hello, friends, and welcome back to Coop. Coop is a place where we talk about travel, luxury, lifestyle, planning, and everyday entertaining. And today, my friends, we are going to plan for the month of October. This is a busy month for me, but at the same time, it's not a busy month for me because I have some time off. I'm just finishing up a job. I told you guys I was changing jobs, and I'm taking some time off before I start my next opportunity. And so you'll see me starting off here by putting on a little ghost sticker that I had on for Halloween. I don't really celebrate Halloween, but I had this sticker, so I put it on. It was cute. And then I also put on a header that says, "Today I am grateful for." And I can put in a little gratitude list there on the side. Also, I added a cup of coffee for International Coffee Day. And then on the 3rd, I have an event that is called Coffee and Conversation. And so I found another cup of coffee to add there. And then I found this really cute sticker that says Coffee Date. And so you'll just see me cutting that out and placing that on the 3rd. And the date sticker was a little bit too big. I cut it apart so it would fit better, but it still had a little bit too much offset on it, and so you'll just see me trimming around that white part, and I keep going until it fits well there. There we go. And now we will move on. And so on the 4th, I have a dinner out with a good girlfriend. And so I found this sticker that says "Dinner Out," and I added it there. And on the 9th is Indigenous Peoples Day. And I was grateful to find a sticker in my books for that, so I added it there. And I forgot that I had the sticker book of Squad Girls that's seasonal. And so I found all of these fall girls, this little girl, or this girl here with a bike, and she has a cat in the basket. I thought this was so cute. And then I just kind of got enthralled with this book and started adding more. These two girls that are like playing in the leaves, I love them. And so you'll see me pull from this book for decor throughout as we're looking. Some pumpkins, and just whatever I think looks good. And I found a whole sheet of these payday stickers that are so cute. They look like little dollar bills. So I'm adding in my paydays for the month. And then on the 10th, I'm going to a party, so I'm adding in that sticker as well. And then this is when I'm going to start my new job, so I just found a sticker that says "Start." And I'm really excited about starting this new role. And I was going to use washi tape to span days to mark off these few days, but instead I found this pen that worked instead. And those are the days that I'm actually going to go into the office when I start my new job. And then on the 19th of the month, it is my mother-in-law's birthday. So I found a little ice cream treat with a birthday sticker. And I remembered I'm starting Pilates, guys. And so I have my introductory class on the 1st. So I found this little like yoga mat icon to put there to indicate that I can remember that I have that introductory Pilates class. And I'm just writing in office there to mark those days. And then you saw me put on a budget sticker because I like to close out my budget on the last day of the month. And right now I've been using this really great software called YNAB, You Need a Budget. I highly recommend it. I really have been loving it. And then on the 8th, I am going to be having my nail appointment. And so I found this bottle of nail polish and I'm just adding that there. I've been thinking that I'm gonna do a fall color, so maybe I'll show you guys and we'll talk about it when I get it. And then I'm just gonna add some more fall leaves and some more decor. I'm really into this Fall Squad Girls section of the sticker book, and so I'll just let the music play and you can watch me decorate. So that's the end of our video. I'm so happy with the outcome. This is my month. What kinds of things do you have planned this month? I'm so happy that it's fall and that the weather is cooling down. Let's talk in the comments below. Tell me about your plans and what you're working on. I appreciate you watching this video. If you haven't, please comment, like, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.